Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about Wix SEO, like some of the SEO guidelines and parameters on which one can follow for optimizing a campaign which runs on Wix CMS. Come, let us find out. First of all, guys, Wix is very renowned as for its easy to use interface, its suitability, and it's very useful for the beginners. Even though there is very limitations on this, but the thing is that especially if you're on the beginner level, then Wix is very useful for you. Now moving ahead, so the first thing which you can really try is the SEO Wiz. So this is one of the plugin which you can really download, and this Wiz is really magical and personal assistant when it comes to the SEO. So the first thing is how does this work? So after answering some basic questions and filling your keywords, the Wiz provides a tailored plan, and this includes everything which you need in your place to be. So you need to choose the right domain. As you can see, you need to write the unique titles and descriptions, make it mobile friendly, submit a sitemap, don't forget the local SEO as you can see in the screen, structure your site, make sure that the site is following a good structure, describe your images with proper alt tag, create a valuable content, and build proper backlink. So guys, as you have seen that the performing Wix campaign is very simple. Just make sure that you do perform Wix if you're on the beginner or the elementary level of any of your campaign, because Wix does have various limitations. You really cannot do a lot of things with this, but still you can get along ahead if you have a low number of pages or if you're just trying to win on a very small segment of keywords. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.